Yes, so Dr. Siddheesh, we can start. I think the orientation, you please take a lead.
Yes. So I welcome you all to our SPSS April 2024 batch, in which we are covering all the aspects of SPSS hands-on training. So before the class as well, we are going to share some Excel sheets with you. So what we are going to need from you is like a copy pen, your laptop, SPSS, and the downloaded Excel sheet so we can practice hands-on. So in a week, we are having two times a class. So first day we will have a proper class. Next day we can have a revision, and the next part continue will be taken up by me or by Ajit sir as well. So in this SPSS, we are going to cover from basic to the advanced part. We are going to learn mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variance, then coefficient of variance, how to use this parameter, where we have to use median, mean, where we have to report interquartile ranges, then where we have to use t-test in the case if data is equally distributed, and where we have to use Mann-Whitney U-test. Similarly, we have to look for where we have to use pair t-test, and in the case of Wilcoxon test, where we have to apply. Afterwards, we will jump to ANOVA, one way, two way. Then we have a separate class for the linear and multiple regression. Also, we are going to learn about the ROC, in which we will learn about how to find the cutoff variables for the potential predictors or for the biomedical uh, diagnostic tests. And I'm going to show you how to find the cutoff by using the ROC part. What is the actual meaning of AUC, sensitivity, specificity. And apart from this part, I'm going to teach you some hands-on training as well, like how to calculate mean, mode, median, standard deviation, CV of the data, which is in group and ungrouped data for your exams as well. So not only we are learning about the SPSS, but we are going to learn about some formulas as well, how to use it and where to use it. But I just need a complete attention from you people so we can have a proper hands-on same time training. So like I told before, I'm going to share the Excel sheet with you before the class or one day before, so that you have to keep ready with you. And we have a separate class on how to download the SPSS as well. So from our side, you are getting the entire package of SPSS from basic to advanced. And afterwards, we can have our session for exam. And then after, once you clear the part, then you can get your certificates from Clement.
Yeah, guys, so that is all about the course. And as Dr. Siddhesh has told you, you must have gone through the comprehensive syllabus also, as you can see in the screen, right now. So guys, what we will do is, see, SPSS is not just a course where you will come and you will see the slides, or where you will see the things, and you will take the notes on the copy and you can learn it. Not at all, it won't work like that. So you have to practice with us. Our almost 100% classes will be on the SPSS software only. We won't take any theory classes except some biostatistics classes that I'll take in starting. I'll teach you the biostatistics, or maybe sometimes, once one or two classes on biostatistics, what is data, and what are the types of data, what are these tests usually, how to choose the test, the simple biostatistics, one thing I'll take, and then 100% Dr. Siddhesh and I'll be taking your classes on SPSS software. Now the question arises, how to get the SPSS software, right? That is the major question, right? So this question we will solve by downloading the test copy, or what we say is trial copy of SPSS. Trial copy of SPSS is free of cost for 30 days. So once we are done with the biostatistics part two classes, we can move towards the other part, that is hands-on training. The entire course is hands-on training. So that time we can download the SPSS software from the IBM website. IBM is the mother company for SPSS, right? So I'll tell you, or Dr. Siddhesh will tell you how to download it. We will share the handouts in advance about downloading the software, making the ID and creating that ID in the IBM. So you can download the software and we can practice it. Okay, we can practice it well. And then we'll also tell you like there are the SPSS software is so expensive literally if you buy it directly from IBM. But IBM has given the rights to some specific vendors. We will tell you those vendors also. Okay, we'll tell you those vendors also. Even you can check in the IBM website. There are 6 vendors, and I'll tell you which vendor gives the very cheap subscription of the this SPSS, right? And they just charge a few pennies, like 3,000 or 4,000 rupees for a year, right? Otherwise, the expenses of SPSS what we pay, from our side, from our company side, is almost 5 lakh rupees, 5 to 6 lakh rupees per year, because we have the industrial subscription, we have the entrepreneur, enterprises subscription. But for the students and academicians, you can buy it just in 3 to 4 thousand from the vendors. I'll tell you that things. If you want to practice continuously and if you want to, get your own SPSS, that also we will tell you, right? But if you want to practice, I mean, if you have to, practice with us, you can practice on the trial version. Okay, that's not a problem at all, right? So this is 100% hands-on training, and definitely, as this told you, we have to cover it with the full attention with us. So, and this is the free course for our interns, all of our interns. This is the free course, as you guys know, and this is a part of your curriculum as well. So 100% attendance also is mandatory for all of you. Okay, the attendance is mandatory. Today I leave you guys because today is just the orientation program, right? But after that you have to come to every class, because this is a wonderful course. And entire syllabus of the farm D fourth year, or B farm, or if I say M farm, the entire syllabus of these three things, or the other courses also, the SPSS or biostatistics, all the syllabus, this is a comprehensive syllabus made after looking into 10 or 15 syllabuses. Okay, we are covering everything, as you can see, linear regression, I mean, from the basic statistics to the advanced statistics. And guys, as our interns are involved, they are from the B farm D background, so you guys have the project also. So along with SPSS, you guys will have the special 1 or 2 classes, special 1 or 2 classes, everyone here, for the projects. Okay, especially on your projects. Whoever wants to discuss your projects with us and needs the guidance, in last 2 classes we will discuss your projects, and you can ask for any kind of help in your projects also from us. That is the additional from our side. Okay, and I wish you all the happy learning with us. Please be with us, and just be attentive, and we will complete this course. I'll try that we do not stretch it for 3 months, because sometimes when you are getting the free version of SPSS, we don't need we don't need to go for 3 months. Otherwise, your subscription will expire. Your trial version will expire. So we'll try to complete it within 1.5 month only. I'll see like how we can do it. In usually we take 12 to 14 classes. We'll see like how we can finish those classes at earliest, so you can try it with us in the practice sessions in the trial version only. You don't have to buy, but if you really want to enthusiastically want to continue the practice in SPSS, then definitely you have to buy it later, right? So the classes as written here are on Thursdays and Fridays, right, guys? Thursdays and Fridays. So can we do it on Wednesday and Fridays? This
Sure, we can do. No issue.
guys, what do you say? Wednesday and Fridays, or Thursdays or Fridays are fine. What do you say, guys? Whatever you guys say,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday.
Friday, or Wednesday, Friday?
Thursday, Friday, sir.
Thursday, Friday. No, everyone is saying no problem. It's fine. Okay. Okay. See, why I'm telling you is the Wednesday, Friday, Dr. Siddheesh told you will be getting some assignments also, right? And you will be getting time to practice it. See, if we are doing it every day means Wednesday and Thursday, or Thursday or Friday, na, you'll not get a gap to practice it. Whatever we are teaching on Wednesday, you can get the gap on Thursday. You can practice it, and then you can come up with the questions on Friday. That is my intention, to do it on Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you Wednesday and Friday, so you can practice it on your own, and then you can come up with a lot of questions and lot of queries if you are not able to run it, if you are not able to work on it, because there are a lot of assumptions, there are a lot of things, right? So you can do it properly, and you can ask a lot of questions from us, right? And I'm very sure that half of you will not complete this course. I'm telling on my experiences, because the people, it's very interesting, and it's amazing. It's amazing. We are the masters of this course. If you guys, if I say I'm the master of kind of basic statistics and quite advanced statistics, I mean, I don't know many of the things, because it's a what we say, the evaluatory things. There's a evaluation going on in statistics, but I love playing with numbers. I love Dr. Siddheesh is expert of the statistics. We love playing with the numbers, right? We love playing with the SPSS. SPS is a wonderful software. Once you learn, it's very interesting, and it can help you in your projects, in your learnings, and other thousand people around you. You can be their statistician. If you know this, if you learn this quite well, then you can be your own statistician and your friend's statistician also in their project. You can help them. So statistics doesn't just help in the analyzing the data, but it helps you calculating the sample size. It helps you uh, establishing the entire protocol, establishing the methodology, right? So it helps you in all the ways. Statistics is not just the step of analyzing the data, right? We have a lot of things to do with the statistics, and we will take this course further for all of you guys. So don't worry, and keep learning. And if you have any questions to me now, you can ask me the questions. And that is all from our side. Orientation program does not mean to take for an hour, right? So let's start from this upcoming Wednesday and Friday, and we will share the entire syllabus with you, right? So Dr. Siddhesh, let's prepare the entire syllabus and share with them. Okay, class timings will be from 7 to 8:30, right? So this is fine.
Yes, it is fine. Yes.
7 to 8:30 class timing, 7 to 8:30. Yes, as we have written also here, I think evenings, right? Yeah, so 7 to 8:30 in the evening. Your convenience, our convenience, everyone's convenience. Okay, what will be the timings? And the question is, what is the difference between SAS and SPSS? See, SAS is also the analytical software, guys. Okay, but SAS is quite more advanced, if I say, and SAS is the language. SAS is actually needs the coding. SPSS doesn't need the codes. Okay, you don't have to put the codes, you don't have to run the codes in SPSS. But in the SAS, you need some kind of codes also. The basic codes to run any kind of statistics, any kind of test, you need the codes. But there is one more difference, or many, actually there are many differences in SAS and SPSS. Is, see, SPSS is a very unique and user friendly software, as I'm telling. Okay, SAS is quite tougher than that, and SPSS is the choice of researchers, and SPSS is the choice of students, because they don't want to learn the code, they just want to do the analysis. Okay, and SAS is the choice of companies. If I tell you, if you're going to the company's industry, they don't entertain SPSS much, but they entertain SAS. Why it is? Because SAS is the official language of our what we say, the CTA, and our WHO also, FDA. FDA's official language is SAS. They don't entertain any other software. They don't entertain LaTeX. They don't entertain Lotus. They don't entertain SPSS. They don't entertain Prism. They don't entertain any other language. They just entertain the SAS software for the statistical analysis. So that's why pharmaceutical companies, analytical companies, and all type of these companies which are involved in the data analytics, they use SAS programming, right? But as you guys are as students, and you guys are involved in the student research, academics research, you will see SPSS everywhere. You will learn the SPSS, right? So that is the major difference. And uh, yeah, that is the major difference. And in the platform also, platform both are developed on Java. Okay, both the softwares are developed on Java and Python. So nowadays SPSS can get the Python also and Java. Both the scripts are both the softwares are developed in the Java and Python. So that's not a big deal at all, right? But the only big deal is you have to do some codings in SAS, but not in SPSS, right? Yes, guys. Any other questions? So we will prepare the entire schedule and we'll share with you, guys, by tomorrow. Okay. So you will have the proper timings and all for the classes. Okay. Yes. No. No. For interns, no group. Everyone has to attend. This is for everyone, right? No. Interns group we have, right? No specific group. No specific group for SES. I mean SPSS software. Yeah. So whatever is for interns will be discussed in intern group. So why we need the specific groups for all the courses? It is mandatory for everyone, so it will be shared in the additional group, right? No need to create any different different groups for different courses. It will be a mess for you guys otherwise. You just have to remember the dates. That's all. In case you miss the class, you will get the recordings, but you will not get the attendance for sure. Yes, recordings will be available, but not the attendance. Okay. In your groups only. We'll share, don't worry. Everything will be there. Everything will be there. We'll share the recordings in the group only. Platform YouTube. We usually upload on YouTube. We have our website also, but these are the certain courses which don't go on the website. So this is for the YouTube. We will upload the classes in YouTube. Close link, not the open link for everyone. And that will be shared especially with you guys. Okay. Private YouTube videos you will get. Okay. Okay, guys, then take care and happy learning. We'll share the syllabus with you. Entire, schedule we will share with you. Take care, guys. Chalo. ठीक है चलो. Okay. Okay, Siddheesh. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Okay,
Thank you
fine.
very
Thank you so
much.
much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.